Good morning. It's February 3, 2026. Long time no see. I've been sick. Heavy coughing for about 3 months or so. Thank goodness it's been resolved. Turns out I needed a lot of antihistamine. It was upper respiratory, post-nasal drip, and terrible sore throat. And everybody else was getting this around me. So I hope you were spared. And in case you experience it, the Strepsil lozenges has this series. The violet one, Max, numbs like anesthetic type. Pro Max, the maroon one, helped my friend swallow water. That is how painful her throat was. I was okay with the blue-green one, the dry cough, because there wasn't much phlegm. And if ever you need it, these products helped a lot. And I just wanted to share. Somebody once told me that whenever he has a chance to ride luxury brand cars, he does his best to push the pedal to the floor as fast as it can go. And one thing he noticed was the seat belt automatically started tightening and made me think of life and our guardian angels. And sometimes we do start to do crazy stuff, and you'll have a sense of like a seatbelt tightening, like your guardian angels are getting ready to hold you back because they know you won't be able to handle it. So I wish everyone a good morning, mindfulness to see if the speed is getting too high, and thankfulness that there is a seatbelt ready to save. Good morning, everyone. Keep safe, keep healthy.